Be careful lang, wala na silang DE, wala na silang DE. Teka, ano, kaya ba, bro? Oh, no, 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 no. Dismount on me, dismount now. Oh, dismount. Keep walking back.
Sayang yung
Walking back.
redemption stuff
Keep
ko.
walking back.
Lakas lang kami.
Keep walking back, keep going. Pull them towards the ferry. Pull them towards the, ferry.
Yan, dito. Akit dito,
Okay,
akit,
keep
akit.
walking, guys, keep walking. Reaper, huwag ka na tumingin. Tetsu. Keep walking to the ferry. Ayain niya sa sa ferry. Pull niyo sa ferry.
Wala men, hindi sila pumapasok.
Nako.
Porambuta. Shit, labanan ng gear.
Ano, balik ba kayo?
Oo,
Ayun,
tara.
ginagera pa nila. Ayun na, ginagera na nila.
Putang ina mo. Ang laki ng damage mo dun.
Okay, come to me. Siguro kaya to, bro. Putang ina, outgeared kasi tayo.
Tara bro, gawin mong ball.
Okay, bro natin, go bro, okay. Go bro, keep walking. Putang ina, wag na kayo mag-choke guys. Don't go into the choke. Dito na tayo. Wag na kayo mag-choke.
Blight.
Hold lang until makabalik yung iba. Wag na kayo mag-choke. Oy, wag kayo mag-stuck diyan. Dito kayo sa gitna. Sa gitna yung DPS. Wag na kayo mag-choke.
Bato ng poison.
Wag na kayo pumasok. Wag na kayo mag-lock.
Ang laki ng ambag ng poison ni Miyok, gago.
Ang ina mo, Miyok.
Benta si Miyok, gago.
Don't go the choke.
Okay, no.
Not yet. Hold lang.
Hoy! West yung ibang DPS, wag dito lahat.
Guys, you're too clap there, guys. No, that's a fake. No, go back. Go kite. Take lang yun. Go kite. Okay. Keep kiting. They might engage. They still have engage. They still have engage. Heals on me. Heals on me.
Heals mo yung cooler natin. Yung cooler mo.
Heals on me. Okay. Don't go. No, not yet. Spread more. Okay, no, that's fake. Spread more. Nice, na.
Pabalik na ako.
Keep holding. Guys, you're too clamp again. Don't go. No, natin sa loob.
Spread!
Don't go. Ito lang, spread lang. Heals on both, share. Huwag kayo dyan. Okay, that's a fake. Mage is not the caller. Wait for burns to be here. Be careful. Okay, keep walking back. Nice one. They're inching. 5. No. It's fine. Hold them. Okay. Asan ako? Hold them, keep going north.
Gago na GA kami.
Okay, keep going. Heals on me. Keep going north. We'll engage in 5, 4, 3. Engage inside.
Oh, engage. Wala mag-engage.
Okay, keep going north. Keep heading north.
Akit na.
Keep heading north.
Nag-counter sila.
Keep heading north. Walang namatay. Keep heading north. Healers heal. Keep heading north.
Haki.
Keep heading north. Okay, engaging in
Sa
5,
akin.
4.
Tabi ka lang.
Engage on me. Okay, no. Keep going north. Go north. Hold them. Go north. Keep going north. Defensive. Keep going north. Nako, Miyok. Okay lang, 4.2 ko lang naman. Keep going north. Okay, engaging in 5, 4, 3. Engage inside. Engage on me. Nako. It's fine. Keep going north. Keep heading north.
Nagamit yung ano ko.
Keep heading north. Mary Jane. Okay. heading north.
Patay kami.
Nako.
Ang sakit ni Razy.
Keep heading north, keep heading north. Keep heading north. Putang ina, nakabadon. Go inside the terry, go inside the terry, go inside the terry. Go inside the terry, go inside the terry. The terry.
Blazing ako.
No. I need deals. Walang healer. I need deals.
Walang akong gamit. Super.
Okay, defensive. Okay, engaging in 5. No, not yet.
Ano?
Ako, men. Ilang DPS ko ba na ako? Ang dami. Okay, it's mine. Go out now. Heals on me, full heal. I need everyone to be in full health. Don't stay inside the choke. Makakadelete pa ba tayo?
Wala lang, gulo ng party. Hindi
Go
ko yun
inside, go
nakikinig
inside.
sa
Defend. Okay, engage me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back, go up.
Tapos tingnan mo rin kung may tao ka pa.
Kaya pa to. Lalaban kami.
Kaya moving pa ako dyan.
Pa-invite na muna.
Nadisi ako. I got this. Nadisi ako. Nadisi ako, guys. Okay, nice one. Ito na. Butang ina, tatanga nila, guys. Hindi tayo ma-delete lahat. Okay, keep walking them. Walk towards them. Be careful lang. Reaper, come back, Reaper. Teammating yung chain nyo. I need death tanks on front. Luis the love, ano? Wala na.
Uy, nice calming.
Nice one.
Ayan, dapat. Defensive natin yan.
Nice one, Takalmin. What the fuck, bro?
Yan. Okay, keep chasing them. No. Keep chasing them. Stay here. Stay on me.
Ba't pa tayo nag-chase, pre?
Kaya nga. Stay on me. Come back now. Uy, mainig kayo. Come
Look
back.
for the clamp ng ng tank nyo.
Ano?
Come back now. Oo, kasi tingnan mo yung item mo, Mihok, kaya lugi sa... Putang ina. Tingnan mo yung item mo. Nagtataka ka pa.
Biyok yan eh.
Nagtataka ka pa. Dito. Hold this joke. Hold this. Huwag kayo dyan. Dito kayo sa likod ko. Huwag kayo dyan. Dito kayo. Dito, hold. Nagtataka ka pa. Ba't lugis ako?
Random lang yung cop natin.
Random lang yung hook natin.
Sino mo kay head mo, pre? Fisherman? Pang ina ka?
Pre, ano yung tawag sa comp nyo?
Gathering. Gathering.
Ay, wala ko. Wala.
Hindi mo masabing chapsuy eh. Kanin baboy, pre.
Gathering, ganking, PvP, lahat nandito.
Come back, guys. Pangit.
Uy, gago, nahuli yung RB natin.
Hindi, boy ako. Ang dami kong blink.
Okay, spread.
Chapsuy comp.
Spread. Okay, ready, engaging in 5. No, not yet. Okay, in 5, 4. Okay, no, not yet.
Pre, sabihin mo kung direction mo.
Sige,
Saan direction ka?
South. Engaging in south in 5. Kuman, inside. Oh, tanga na. Okay, defensive. Go, kite.
Ano na ini-engage nila? Wala namang nahuli. Laban, gago.
Sige, kite.
Walang nahuli pero nag-engage lahat dun.
Kite.
Yung toys na ba?
Nakakabaliw.
Come back, kite.
Gago, nakakabaliw.
You're
Yung toys na ba?
You're too clumped there. They're engaging now. They're engaging now.
Bobo
Okay,
talaga.
nice one.
Nasa wala.
Ay, napatay ako. Heals on me. Heals on the color. Naku, patay ako. Go to the terry.
Take order natin, guys.
Take over, Butcher.
Take over,
Butcher, take over.
Nag-offline ako pre, nag-PC.
Uy, iniwan tayo mid-fight mga pre.
Toxic!
Pre. Iniwan tayo mid-up.
Gaga!
Defensive.
Ay, gago.
Patay.
Akala ko nakapag-D ako. My bad, bro.
Patay si Mihawk. Wala na tayong gatherer.
Nakapag-D ako.
Okay lang yan, guys.
Gather.
Ayoko na mag-donate. We're just giving donations.
Wala na taga-gatherer guys, namatay na si Biyok.
GG no brother.
GG guys, GG Demas. Namatay siya yung gatherer.
Tayo.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Oh!
Wala lang.
Putang ina! In! Oh! Fuck!
Ayaw, tingnan to na eh.
Pa yan, Hep. Kesa namumblema ka.
Putang ina mo! Kapamesak! Donator ka kapamesak
Ah,
eh.
puta, nagdi-DC talaga ako.
Botang ina. Gusto niyo bot review?
Huwag na.
Ayan na.
Bot review?
Wait.
Let's go. Putak lang.
Ayoko, may visit lang ako kay Miyok eh. Naka-gathering eh.
Wait.
Putang ina yan. Basta may masuot eh, no?
Kung kasi, i-proper mo na yun ng maayos. Nakapaghintay naman ata sila ng ano eh. Ladaces eh.
Engaging.
Kesa yung iba, putang na, may sama-saring ano eh, gathering, ganking, PBE. Impi pa, putang na, calming. Putang na, may calming pa ako nakikita, tsaka impi pa.
Ang ina nyo,
Putang impi defensive.
Kung sa totoong buhay, ayusin nyo ah. Baka...
Totoong buhay ang puta.
Minsan to.
Naglawang real life.
Nagtanong pa si Miyok, lugi sa comp.
Logi na ka, pre.
Tapos nakapang-gather ang photo.
Putang ina na. Miyok is the best. Tangina.
Benta, putang ina. Ang ayos ng ibang kasama namin, tapos tang ina mo yung mga naka-gathering set. Tang ina nyo.
Puta, ayos lang ano kalili.
Sa akin, may smoke kayo sa. Mabubuto ka lang.
Putang inang buhay yan. Nagtanong pa eh, logi sa ano, pre, logi sa comp.
Proper mo na yan eh. Puro bobo naman yung mga blood aces.
Kaya nga, yun nga yung napapansin ko.
Di ako nakaka-delete. Puta, T6 lang tayo. Tinan mo, may gathering gear pa. Puta, di na nakaka-delete.
Pag ano ka, mag-practice tayo lahat. Pag-T6 lahat.
Yun, yung parang mano kay Ricky.
Dami naman tayo dito, boy.
Okay,
Rip.
Ano.
Ano yung parang merong yung equips mo.
Wala na, nasa
Yun yung
tayo.
siphon.
Pre, nasa Facebook na tayo. Tingnan nyo kasi.
Okay, see.
Sa Facebook ka tayo?
Ah, puta,
Agad?
post nila. Puta ka na. Cheater tapos with gathering gear. Kingin na nila. Ewan ko na lang kung di sila mabash.
Putang ina. Putang ina nakita ko, naka-fisherman si...
Ah, puta, bod review. Puta, sa walang kwentang bod. Bod review.